Welcome to another episode of Stezworld. I'm your host Steven, and on today's video we're actually going to talk about how to save money on traveling, especially now during there is a big inflation around the world. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So traveling is becoming more expensive, especially this year as everything is going up. For example, here in the United States, year over year, we had an inflation of over 8% just last month. Currently, we are in the month of May, but last month, April, we had an over of 8%. I think it's 8.4 if I'm not mistaken, inflation from year over year, which is kind of high. And for you who are watching this, you've probably seen it when you go to your local grocery stores. Gas prices, it's going up. It's very expensive. So unfortunately, going into the summer months here in the United States and maybe Europe as well, June, July, August are normally the most expensive time of the year to travel. Besides during the holidays, late December, New Year's time frame, and also Thanksgiving here in the United States. So if you are a family of four, it's gonna cost a big chunk of your pay in order to do a summer trip with your family. So what to do in order to save money during the peak travel season? First of all, you just have to book your flights, your hotel early in advance, maybe 2-3 months in advance. Normally you could have some wiggle room the closer you get, but the risk is even higher to get a good deal. It is possible to get a good deal, a last minute deal, because most of the time it always happens, people's gonna cancel their travel plans just a week or a couple of days before they actually travel. But if you're a risk taker, chances are you may find a cheaper hotel, a cheaper car rental, or a cheaper flight, maybe a day or two. But during the summer season, during the high season, it is very unlikely that's gonna happen. If you are a single person, I recommend you to travel during the off-peak season. For example, if you don't have compromise, if you don't have kids, if you're not married, you don't have much to spend, September, October is going to be the best time to travel, especially after Labor Day here in the United States. If you travel, like for example, in the second or third week of September, all the way up to mid-October, maybe the whole month of October, you're gonna find great deals everywhere. You're gonna find deals on flights, you're gonna find good deals on hotels, you're gonna find good deals on car rental, everywhere, because nobody is traveling. If you have family, chances are it's better to do a weekend trip. If you guys go from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday during the off-peak season, it's gonna be short, but you're gonna save tons of money as well. Like I said, inflation has been skyrocketing everywhere. Doesn't matter where you go around the world, especially in developed countries where everything tends to be higher price. If you guys want to save money, and if you got the opportunity to travel abroad, you could travel to a lower cost country, mostly like Latin America, some countries in the Caribbean, where you could find good deals, or where your dollar or your euro tend to go further. If you go, like say, to South America, if you go to Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, not much Brazil, but if you go to those countries in South America, food is very cheap. Fare prices on airfare might be a little expensive because a lot of people who are native to those countries, once they're on vacation during the summertime, they tend to book up all these flights, so the fare might be a little high, but chances are you're gonna find cheap things down in South America, and maybe in Southeast Asia as well during the time, but I'm not sure. If you guys travel to Southeast Asia a lot, when is the best time to travel for cheap? especially during this time of inflation. Like I said, going to a lower cost destination or country will save you a bunch of money. Let's say, going back to the example of South America, normally the high season traveling into South America is during December through February, because those are the summer months down in the southern hemisphere, and a lot of people are on vacation. So as soon as we are in our summer months here in the northern hemisphere, if you go to the southern hemisphere, chances are you're gonna find great deals, because a lot of people, the kids are at school, people are working, and it's gonna be vice versa during their summer months. If they want to come to the northern hemisphere, to the United States, Canada, even though it's gonna be cold here, they're gonna find good deals as well. Also, during this time of recording, it is May of 2022, economists are saying that there is a recession coming. So during a recession, normally everything goes down. There's not much economic activities. That's another good time to travel, because everything is on sale pretty much. Airlines are trying to fill their planes, hotels trying to fill their rooms, car rental companies, they have abundance of cars to rent. But if you are fortunate enough to still have a job during a recession, chances are you're going to have the time of your life searching for these deals. So economists are saying that probably gonna be entering a recession, or maybe we are already in a recession, but they're saying they're probably gonna be even a deeper recession in the fall or winter of this year. So stand by, because if you guys want to save money and trying to save up money just to go on a vacation, I think those are your best time to travel, just the fall and winter. Or if we are in a recession, you're gonna find so much great deals to travel. So right now I am currently in New York, so I'm gonna wait a while to travel because everything is so expensive. I'm looking for deals out there to travel in the summer months to record for this channel, but unfortunately I'm not finding no good deals. Everything is way over my budget at the moment. So pretty much I'm gonna try to travel locally, which is another good alternative. Is if you guys cannot afford to travel going to other places, try to do a local travel. Like for example, you could travel probably to a local state park nearby, or you could travel to a local beach if you guys have a local beach, if you guys live on the coast. Let's put it that way. If there's no beaches nearby, if there's lakes, campgrounds, if you want to go camping or go to a state or national park, that would be great as well to do as a local trip. I know gas prices are high. I know some places like in California, there's places where not tax, but gas is over $7 a gallon. Other places are $5, other are in the $4s. So it's gonna eat your budget, but it's actually worth it. Just having a short drive nearby to a local hotspot, let's put it this way. Lucky that I live in New York City at the moment, so me going to many places here within the city is not going to be a challenge. It's going to be very affordable for me to travel and record a lot within the city and find hidden gems within the city. But for those who live far away from a major city, if you guys like nature, I mean, there's probably some good places to visit nearby where you don't have to burn your wallet. I just want to say thank you for watching this video of me talking about some ways to travel for cheap. I know it's gonna be tough for the majority of the people because many people have debt. Many people are uncertain with the economy. Certain people are not making enough money to live by. But if you guys just want to travel or explore, I mean, just do some of the recommendation that I did. Either travel during the off season or travel in local areas nearby. Doesn't has to be 5 hours away. It could be less than, you could drive maybe 1 hour away from here. Please subscribe, like this video, please share, and I'll see you on the next time. Safe travels.